All right, we're live. You guys ready? Amazon's come down pretty significantly this morning from the open. I think we're gonna get a pullback today. It's what it's starting to look like. Broke highs. Pre-market. So hard to read the charts when they're like this. So I'm looking at the other ones that I don't trust. So we went up to 449.95. Yeah. All right, so let's start with SPY. We had a little gap up, or not a gap up. It just ran straight up from the open at 447.40, which is down here, down here. Now TC2000, it shows a gap, a little bit of a gap. Now there's no gap on Thinkorswim, which is interesting. Anyway, so we're gonna watch that 449.95 for the short. Look at this on the daily. Hold on. You guys, can you hear me? Okay. I'm gonna watch that pre-market high for a short. Oh, that's I knew he was gonna show up right now. Hold on one sec. Good morning. Guys, I'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, guys, I'm back. What a shit show. All right, guys, ready? Let's get on this. So we'll be watching this short here at 449.98. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. We're going to watch the long bounce down here at 447.19. All right. Tentatively, that's our levels on SPY. That's our channel. I'll leave that there just so I can see where the high was here. I have so much stuff in my mind right now, guys. I'm sorry. Qs popped out. Ran over that. Oh, that's interesting. Still watch that pre-market high for the short. Right here at the close, we can watch the bounce for the long. Depends on which way we go first. If we come from here and come straight up into 374.62, we'll be looking for the short. But if we come down into 372.69 and we're starting to look for the longs, you know, we're going to give it into this 372.38 area down, you know, at this pivot point. If our first directional pick is down and we get bought up, this level is not going to apply. Most likely we're going to smash right through it, right? Okay. Tandon, you on too? Well, look at that. Everybody's on this morning. All right. So that's what we're looking at on Qs. Apple. Apple market maker candle up to 153.45. Apple looks like she wants to run, but other things don't look like it. You know, I'm so pissed off. I took little profit on that Apple because it was moving so slow. And then after I got out, it just took off like a rocket. Disgusting. Anyway, yes, I know you made money on AMD. Yay, you. Yay. He took a late trade. Look at that fucking trade. Woo! Very nice. Apple. Lot of range today on Apple. We can watch this 156.56 for the bounce for the continuation up to 148.94. It's got to be a little further. It needs to be up in here. Up here, 147. We need about a 1.5 move back into that. And then if it breaks under that, we can take the retest south for a pullback into the 9. Remember I was worried about the 9 coming back to the 9 yesterday? It's just below the 50, correct. 50's right there. Okay? So we'll be watching. That's going to be kind of our move right there. We can move this up here. It looks like we're going to jam up, but whoops, wrong color. We can watch this for a short, watch this for a long, and if it breaks out, we're probably coming all the way down here. This is probably the area we're going to come to on Apple today. 146.50s would be the first bounce for the long. Yep. And then that 144.82. Yep. If it breaks through there, it's probably coming all the way here. Now, we give Apple a point of risk. Okay. The 9's down here at 144.82 or just under. By the time the market opens, it's probably going to be a whole lot closer to that number. So if we break under this, we get a retest. Like these are some of the plays that we're going to have to keep our eye out for. We get some weakness. This does this number, comes down, comes back up for a test. Then we can take it short, right? But we don't want to chase it. We want it to pull up to get the test, okay? That's Apple. Moving on. AMC, not trading that shit. AMD broke yesterday's highs after the rocket ship. Yeah. It does. 117 even. I'm going to watch that 117 for a short tentatively. And when I say a short tentatively, that's 70 cents up to that top of. Now, the chances that the people are still in this trade from back there are pretty slim. I would take this short here, but if it breaks out, I give it about 10 cents and that's it. And I just close it. Okay? And you could give it up to 117.68, but you're going to get pretty beat up on the contract. Okay? Tandon's like, I'm taking it long! And if you want to take it long down here, Tandon. Right here. Yeah, back here. I see it. Right here. Well, what did I say? Catch the short for the ride back to here to take it long. But you don't even really, I really don't even like it short. I don't disagree. I like the long here. The problem is if you take the long here, where's your stop? The 9? The 9, the low of yesterday? Right, exactly. There you go. Good job. Amazon. All right, Amazon is below currently. Let me see. Yeah. All right. Amazon's open. We're below. Now, Amazon looks like she wants to pull back, but if she breaks out of this, the whole market's just going to keep ripping. Right here. That's our, we need to pay attention line. Okay? This line, this 34.59, then the market's probably going to continue to lift. Had this big run on Amazon with continuation day. I expect a little bit of a pullback, right? I really do. Like, I'm looking for a short. I'm not going to short Amazon today, but I'm just saying, if Amazon wants to pull back, let's say back into this range, that's $50 of movement. That's going to put a lot of downward pressure on the S&P, right? So that's what I'm watching for tentatively right now. I'm leaning like a little bit. We're going to go short. YouTube, I'm having trouble with my internet. Not sure if you can, hope it's coming through okay. I think I'm going to have to kill this today, guys. You have to get on my website and Zoom. I shut off the